terhormat sudah baru saja mendarat di Bandara Udara Olimpik Sari di Banyuwangi. Seluruh awak pesawat yang bertugas dan kami selamat berpisah dan kami harap dapat bertemu kembali dalam penerbangan di area angkasa.
Welcome Sustainable Teamwork 2026. Tuh Banyuwangi Jengkiratan.
So first, I would like to welcome you all to this place, to this area. Hope you enjoy it. And just to let you know that the ministry has given the authority to the Perhutani. Perhutani is a state-owned company who are given the authority to manage this area. So the ministry is the regulator of the forestry, particularly for the conservation of forestry, sustainable forestry, and the Perhutani is the one that carries out the economic activities for the this area.
In a special botanical garden in Honduras, we have an arboretum where a lot of Asian species have been gathered since 1959, 1960s. And the weather, the climate, it also feels very similar, very humid, very hot. Yes.
Is this your first time to
Yeah,
Indonesia?
well, first time.
This is your very
Yeah,
first
very, very first time.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to Forest Management Unit Bangsering. We are now here to know about the forest management by Forest Management Unit Bangsering.
Jadi intinya kami hadir di sini untuk belajar dari Perhutani Banyuwangi Utara. Ya. Apa yang sudah dilakukan oleh teman-teman dari Perhutani, kemudian tantangan apa yang dihadapi. Ya, jadi bagaimana masyarakat hutan itu atau desa hutan itu ikut terlibat dalam kayu berkelanjutan yang kemudian bisa dikirim ekspor ke luar negeri.
Perum Perhutani merupakan badan usaha milik negara yang membidangi kehutanan dan diberikan kewenangan untuk mengelola hutan wilayah di Kabupaten Banyuwangi seluas kurang lebih 50.000 hektar. Kami juga disarankan untuk melakukan sertifikasi itu untuk agar produk-produk kami bisa diterima di negara-negara luar, khususnya Eropa maupun Amerika.
Every log is known where it came, and we put it on application, and we put barcode, and we upload it. So Perhutani is the one who manage it. They under Ministry of State-owned company, but they also coordinate with Ministry of Forestry. Every tree has a number on it. They do it, but they don't really know about it. It's a site level management.
Este es el documento que se prepara para la venta del tronco, para la venta, es antes de la venta. Y este es el físico que se antes de la venta. SD, entonces CAFIN es el lugar de compilación dentro de este lugar. Tienen sus diferentes, que tiene su tamaño específico, que se llama CAFIN, o este documento sirve para identificar en cuál lugar de esta zona fue sacado ese tronco.
Jadi selamat datang di Taman Nasional
Nasional Baluran. Baluran merupakan taman nasional kawasan konservasi yang memiliki original ekosistem. Baluran Nasional Park ini juga menjadi cagar biosfer. Jadi mempunyai ekosistem yang kompleks, mulai dari marine sampai dengan lowland forest, sampai dengan savana, hingga ke gunungan. Mungkin kalau beberapa orang menjulukinya adalah Afrika in Java.
And I just want to start by saying the day of today has been a very lofty day, full of activities. First, we started by visiting the forest, the teak forest, where we were given a proper education on how the nursery started, and then for the number of years that the teak forest has been in existence, the economic importance of it to the nation of Indonesia, and the benefit of that teak forest to the local communities where we went. It was really a good one.
Today was a very special day. We went to a national forest park, and now we are at the beach, which is very beautiful, and I hope to know many more things about Indonesia. Bye!
First of all, let us give our deepest gratitude to the Almighty God, by whose grace we are all able to gather here at Pendopo Sabaswagata Blambangan Banyuwangi tonight in good health and great spirit. This evening, with great joy and pride, we welcome you to the welcoming reception and dinner hosted by the Regent of Banyuwangi Regency in collaboration with the Ministry of Foreign Affairs of the Republic of Indonesia and IPB University as part of the International Cooperation Field Visit Program, attended by delegates from 16 like-minded countries.
Welcome to Banyuwangi.
Yang terhormat Ibu Bupati, Bapak Sekda dan Asisten, dan semua jajaran dari pemerintah Banyuwangi.
Kami ingin menyampaikan terima kasih kepada Ibu Bupati dan pemerintah Kabupaten Banyuwangi atas sambutan yang ramah dan yang diberikan kepada kami, Bu. Merupakan suatu kehormatan dan kebahagiaan bagi kami dapat hadir di Banyuwangi ini. Dari tadi yang sudah diperkenalkan ada 36 peserta dari 16 negara datang ke situ niat, dan mereka memang teman-teman di sini mau belajar dari Banyuwangi.
Kabupaten Banyuwangi adalah kabupaten di ujung timur, paling timur Pulau Jawa, dan kami menyebutnya, daerah kami ini adalah the sunrise of Java, karena daerah kami ini adalah daerah yang pertama kali mendapatkan cahaya matahari pagi hari. Setelah itu baru daerah-daerah lain di Pulau Jawa.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. It is a great honor, pleasure to welcome you all to PT Warisan. On behalf of the organizing committee and PT Warisan, we would like to extend our warmest welcome to all distinguished guests and participants of Sustainable Timber 2026 program. Let's keep applause for us, everyone.
So back to what happened yesterday. So we have discussed with Perhutani, and then there were many questions actually from our participants asking about how do you trace from the legality and the field, and then you have the company here, and then so how do you make sure that the logs or the product that you have is actually sustainable. So I'm sure there will be lots of questions of that later.
So Warisan means heritage in Indonesian. So it's a very valuable name for us as a company. The family right here, that we have 400 people based in Banyuwangi, which is where we take the log through to end product. You're going to be able to experience how we go from log through to the container. And then you're going to be able to see how we register that with our documentation. And then when it gets to the end customer, how they could actually find out where that log comes from. So the detail in what we do here for every product is pretty significant.
Clientes, y esto les permite tener la trazabilidad desde el bosque hasta el producto final de cada una de las piezas que ellos comercializan, entregando al final de cada producción un certificado de calidad y de garantía que le permite al propietario o al cliente final determinar que el producto que está comprando es proveniente de una plantación, de un bosque legal y que no causó deforestación y que es trabajado con madera sostenible.
Berdalam ini didirikan pada tahun 2013, tapi kami mulai beroperasional itu di awal tahun 2014. Saat itu kita masih produksi bedcore, belum plywood. Tapi karena perkembangan perkembangan permintaan pasar, sehingga kita mengarah ke plywood, sehingga sampai sekarang ini kita sudah mulai ekspor. Ya, kita sudah mulai ekspor sekitar 50% dari produksi kami itu kita ekspor. Ada yang ke Meksiko, ada sebagian yang ke Amerika, terus yang paling banyak itu ke Malaysia. Untuk proses produksi di tempat kami ini, kita bergandengan tangan dengan petani ya. Hampir sekitar 70%-an yang kita olah ini kayunya itu asalnya dari petani.
And we are also happy to share our experiences with you, and we hope to be back. We've really enjoyed Indonesia. Thank you.
Thank you very much for your welcoming.
Happy to see you always.
And I think that we will come back to Indonesia, specifically to Banyuwangi to visit us. Yeah.
Thank you so much for all participants who have come and also joined all the activities in Indonesia, particularly in Banyuwangi. Thank you for coming all the way from all your country. Hope you have a very nice time here and learn a lot. And until we meet again, bye bye.
Banyuwangi, gracias por todo. 1, 2 y 3. Banyuwangi.